Welcome back to Yogi Bloom. Today's chair yoga session is designed especially for seniors to relieve joint pain, improve flexibility, and boost your energy. Just follow along, breathe, and enjoy this moment for you. Sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Your breath is your first medicine. It soothes your nervous system and brings fresh oxygen to your brain. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Gently tilt your head to the right, bringing your ear towards your shoulder. Now, slowly come back to center and switch to the left side. Inhale slowly through the nose and exhale as you relax into the stretch. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the tension release along your neck and shoulder. This helps reduce stiffness, ease headaches, and improve posture. Once again, inhale slowly through the nose and exhale as you relax into the stretch. Inhale, reach your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, gently lean over to the left. Keep your seat grounded and steady. This stretch opens the chest and helps improve your breathing. Reach your right arm up to the sky. Inhale. Exhale. Once again, keep your seat grounded and steady. Extend your arms out to the sides, palms facing forward. As you inhale, gently rotate your arms so the palms face down. And as you exhale, rotate them back to face up. Feel the stretch across your shoulders and the gentle rotation in your arms. This helps improve shoulder mobility, posture, and opens the chest. Once again, extend one leg forward, heel on the floor, toes pointing back toward you. Gently lean your upper body forward. Inhale. Exhale. Now switch sides. This helps stretch and soften the muscles along the back of your legs. Inhale. Exhale. Extend one leg forward, heel on the floor, toes pointing back toward you. Gently Lean your upper body forward. Now, sit up nice and tall and extend one leg forward, lifting it slightly off the ground. Inhale as you point your toes away, and exhale as you flex them back towards you. You can place your hands on the sides of the chair for support if needed. Inhale. Exhale. Now, slowly lower your leg and switch sides. Feel the stretch in your calf, the activation in your thigh, and the gentle movement in your ankle. This helps improve circulation, strengthen your leg, and keep your ankles mobile and strong. Inhale. Once again, exhale. Gently place your hands on your cheeks and take a deep breath in. Then exhale slowly. With soft fingers, begin to massage your cheeks in small circles. Then slide your fingers up to your temples and gently press. This simple facial massage helps release tension, reduce stress, and bring a sense of calm and comfort. Bring your hands together in front of your heart and take a moment to thank yourself. For showing up today. Inhale deeply and exhale gently, feeling calm, grounded, and proud. If this practice felt good, don't forget to subscribe to Yogi Bloom for more gentle chair yoga made with love just for you. See you next time.